Now we would like to solve a problem regarding on a round the end hydraulic flocculation tank. So when we talk about designing a flocculation tank, basically we would like to find out the length, the depth, and also the width of the tank. Okay, so we look at this example 2 here. It says design a baffle type basin of round the end type with the following data. The first data given is daily quantity of water to be treated is 15 mLD. If we have a flocculation diagram, a hydraulic flocculator diagram, so we can imagine that the water flowing into the flocculator, the volume of the water flowing into the flocculator is 15 times 10 to the power 6 liter per day. The next data given is on the detention time, which is 25 minutes. So we know that the water will travel or will stay in this hydraulic tank for 25 minutes. What about the velocity of the flow? It is given here 0.17 meter per second. Therefore, the speed of water traveling in the hydraulic flocculator tank to be 0.17 meter per second. The distance between baffle is 0.75 meters. So we label the distance between baffle in this diagram, and that distance is 0.75 meters. Talk about the thickness of the baffle is 0.075 meter, and this is the thickness of the baffle. Okay, so I label it using pink color. So that is the thickness that they were talking about, 0.075 meter. This basin or this hydraulic tank has 3 compartments, and each compartment has a width of 3 meters. So we can see we have one compartment, 2 compartments, and 3 compartments. So each compartment has a width of 3 meters. So what about the thickness of the compartment wall? So the thickness of compartment wall is 0.15 meters, and this is the wall as I have already explained it to you guys in my first video. So the thickness of the wall is 0.15 meter. Right? We will continue in the next video on how to solve this problem in determining the depth, the length, and also the width of the tank. Thank you very much. From Muzaffar, and Assalamualaikum.